Behind me, right?
Further east.
Just disappeared. Look at that stuff blowing up in the air. Let's try it again. Look at it, Nate. That thing hooks to left. You better get ready to run inside. Hey, where's our hurricane shelter?
That is crazy.
Look at how low and fast those clouds are.
Yep.
Dude, this right here is bad.
There it is, there it is. Let's touch down in Westville on Union Street. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. This whole thing right here.
Right there. Right there. Look. Right there.
There it is. There it is. We got it. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Yep, debris field. We got debris field.
Yeah.
There it is. Train tracks. Train tracks. There it is. Woo, baby, come on.
What the fuck?
There it is. West Springfield. Woo, baby. We got a tornado in West Springfield. On the ground. At the railroad tracks. Baby!
Shut the doors! Guys,
We got it, we got it. There goes the trees.
Traffic should keep moving.
Yeah, you know, maybe a car.
Look at that. Oh my God.
It's a tornado.
It's a tornado in West Springfield.
Oh my God!
Well, what was that? It's like some sort of fire?
Steam. That's the debris.
No, but it was,
Yeah.
something was coming out. It's probably like the power line.
This is coming our way, you guys. We need to.
Oh.
It's
Whoa.
much closer. We need to get in away from the windows.
Yeah.
I told you you were making fun of me, and I told you I grew up in Missouri. I know what these suckers look like.
I wasn't making fun of you.
No. I'm not doing it anymore.
It's the darkest cloud.
Look at all that.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Well,
It's coming this way.
It's died though, no?
No, that's not
look at
died.
all the
Oh
wires.
my god. It's going to the bridge. All the cars.
Holy crap.
It's hitting the river.
Oh my god.
You could tell people, Melissa, to move away from the...
No, it's coming this way.
Yeah.
Shit.
I don't know what the right thing to do is here, but it seems like it's coming right towards us.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. Now it's coming right at me. Oh my god! What do I do?
Look at this! Look at this!
Everybody get down!
Oh my god! Look at this! Look at our toes! Hands up!
Everybody get down! Everybody get down!
See the church on the roof?
Yeah.
Somebody call. We gotta call 911.
Why? Why? What happened?
Because there's debris all over the place.
Yeah.
Trees down everywhere.
Earthquake in March.
This is really scary. It looks like a tornado is going right across the highway right in front of me.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that's fucking sick, dude. Yeah, it is. Feel the wind? Look at that debris.
Oh my god. Oh my god! My hood's open. My fucking hood's open! My fucking hood! Oh my god!
He is shaking this truck.
Oh, that's
Holy
fucking
shit.
awesome! Look at the roof!
Look at that truck. Holy shit, that truck is, it looks like it's about to flip over.
It's moving, this car. Look at that building right there. That whole thing just...
Holy shit.
Keep an eye on that sign right there.
I don't know, just fucking buckle up or what, dude?
I don't know what to do. That's gone. That's fucking crazy.
Oh my
Oh my god!
Holy
The roof off the
building!
Holy shit, it's pulling shit off the roof.
Oh my god.
Come on, come on, come on. Go.
I'm a junkie, I can't help it. I'm looking at everybody, I'm like, what is everybody looking at? And I look up and I'm like, no kidding. This is... Oh my god, look at the roof.
Yep, there it comes.
Shut the door now, because we're getting the back end of the wind.
Yeah, we don't want that. Oh my god.
Wow. Am I your way?
No.
Dude, look at the roof on that building right there.
Oh wow. Holy shit.
Dude, that missed us by feet.
We're going to die. We're driving in the eye of the storm.
This is ridiculous. Dude, this is insane.
I'm so happy we went tracking. Holy shit! Dan, I'm so happy I'm filming this right now.
Holy shit. There's no trees around.
That's fucking nuts. Let's get the fuck out of here. Seriously, get the fuck out. Damn, the ceiling, look. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Stop. Drive, you fucking retard.
Shit, dude. I hope you're calm. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Woo. I can't believe I got that on film.
Dude, I hope my car's not fucked up. I want to get out and make sure people are okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look out! Oh my god! There goes the central sign.
Sign.
That shit's crazy.
Yo, that shit's fucking close.
That's mad close.
Yo, Divine, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and tell this fucking forget it. This shit is fucking crazy. I'll turn around. Yo, just turn around, Divine. Just fucking turn around. Just fucking forget it.